Eyupppp everybody, it's Josh. Welcome back to the channel. You join me today here in my garage where we're going to be having a look at a couple of the products which TJ's Car Care has sent me. Thank you very much, Toby, for sending them across. I've read some good reviews on them already and I'm very excited to get started using them. So it has been a little rain here in Leeds over the last couple of days, so the car has picked up quite a bit of dirt. Last week I did clay bar it, wax it, polish it, I did everything. So hopefully it won't be too bad, but I want to be able to see what benefits using these products are going to bring me. So let's have a look at the products then. So we've got the TJ's Car Care Quick Detailer. I've already read some very good reviews on this, so I'm excited to use it. I always struggle finding a couple of quick detailers that actually work. The last one that I used, it just smeared all over the car, so I'm looking for something fairly easy to apply, which I think this is. Secondly, we've got the TJ's Car Care Shampoo. Apparently this has a lot of suds, so it will help clean the car quite exponentially. So look how good it looks under this light here. Looks good, smells good, very excited to use it. So I'm just going to go give the car a quick pre-wash, rinse it over a couple of times, make sure it's all ready for the products. The next time you see me, we'll be getting the shampoo ready and then we'll get my verdict on it. So before we even start, I just want to say I'm not a professional detailer, I'm not endorsed by TJ's Car Care. It's a purely personal perspective. If I do say something silly like if the technical term isn't right, don't worry about it, I'm not bothered. Okay, so we haven't yet rinsed the car, but I just wanted to show you guys this. So I've used a bit of a mix between hot and cold water and the suds are unreal, there's loads of them. Just going to rinse the car now and then we'll get onto it. Oh, and you will notice before we start the video I am using this thing. Look how bad it is, it's already leaking. My pressure washer broke, so I'm stuck with using that until I get a new one. Okay, so the pre-rinse has been done. Lovely little beading on the bonnet there as well from the wax. But let's get into the shampooing. I've got it all here. I'm just going to time lapse a little bit and then I'll give you my views afterwards. Right, so quick first impressions before I go and finish off the car. Very suddy, if that's a word. There's a lot of suds, it lasts a long time and you barely need to even do anything to get it to sud up. Really impressed at the moment. Smells delicious as well. It's always a bonus when you're washing your car and you've got this lovely smell just So the car has been washed. Again, I'm very impressed with this product. We'll just take a quick look around it now. I mean, I haven't dried it yet, that's why this is here, but we'll just have a quick look. So I have given it a quick rinse off, but you can already see the reflections. It's always difficult with shampoos because I think everybody just thinks that they're all the same thing, but I don't know what it is about this one, but I really like it. The suds last a long time. You can see them dropping down the car as you're moving around as well. I'm just going to get it dry. Once it's dried, we'll have a look at the quick detailer. So I've just finished drying the car. We're just going to take a look at it now just to see what the results are, and then we're going to have a look at the quick detailer. So let's take a quick look around. It's very glossy shine, even the windows as well. I'm very, very impressed with that. I actually forgot the quick detailer, so I'm just going back to the garage just so we can get it. So we're back with the secret weapon. Also got a clear microfiber as well. We'll see what it does. As I say, I've used quite a lot of them and I haven't seen much benefit with them, but let's do it. Spray onto the surface, wipe and buff off to give a durable, slick finish. I like the word slick. One bonus with this, it actually smells gorgeous. Very hard to do this with one hand, I must say. Okay, so the 10-second verdict for me is that it comes off very quickly. I can't see any massive noticeable shine, but we'll get on with the rest of the car. I'll come back to you guys once I've finished it and then we'll have a bit of a review at the end. Okay, so we skip forward 15 minutes in time when I've actually finished the car. I'm really, really impressed with these results. Let's have a look now. Look at it, it's actually so smooth on the back of your hand as well. So it's obviously putting something on there that keeps it nice and glossy. I mean, look at that shine. I haven't had a shine like that in a while. Look how clearly the houses are. So guys, that's just finished up. I'm just going to put everything back in the garage. We're going to have a sit down. I'm going to give you my final verdict and I'm going to show you everywhere where you can get this product. So then, my quick review on both of TJ Car Care's products, the shampoo and the quick detailer. So the shampoo, we've got, it smells beautiful, absolutely divine. Then it suds a lot, you know, you barely need any effort to get the pad over the car. It leaves a nice glossy shine as you saw earlier in the video. So the quick detailer then, we've got, smells beautiful, like it's literally one of the nicest things I've ever put on my car. It leaves a brilliant shine. You saw the reflection in the pictures there in the video. You can't really beat that, to be fair. I mean, it's a lot better than the products that I've used. And it also leaves your car sort of smooth to the touch as well. Almost when you clay it, to the back of your hand, it's very, very smooth. I like the products that much that my even glasses are steaming up. Look at that. Wow. So that's the video done then. Thank you very much for joining me on this. If you want to buy any of TJ Car Care's products, I'll leave a link below, and thank you again, Toby, for sending them products across. I'm really, really glad you did, and look out for my name on your order list because I'm going to be getting some before the end of Christmas. And as always guys, if you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. I don't know which side it's going to be at, but either of the two, wherever it is, do that. Keep up to date with my content. I've got some really, really exciting stuff coming over the next couple of months, and until next time, I'll see you then.